Clearbrow, North Dallas, April 2025. Getting ready to do a little walkthrough to show you what we got going for the week. This is a C7 full wrap. It had a full front on it at one point. Owner decided to have us remove it, do the whole car. The whole car was paint corrected, and we're starting the wrap on it. Full tint, XPELs, XR Plus, all the glass, and then these wheels will eventually be sent out for powder coating. This car is an 06 Carrera. That had a half of a hood on it. You can see kind of where the image was. It was probably 10 years overdue to come off. It took about a few days to get that off. No paint damage though. We do it the proper way. And this whole car is going to get paint corrected and then fully wrapped. This one here is always here, the mascot of the store. This here is an 03 360. This is a full wrap. It was paint corrected. Now we're going through it and starting our pieces. So far the full front's done, doors, the top piece. We just got left rockers and the rear end basically, and all that's pretty much all custom. Let's go on to the next car. Is a 718 GT GTS. This is a full car, full tint, ceramic, and wheels will be ceramic coated as well. Over here is a C8. That's a full wrap. Almost done. Keeping the battery on a battery tender. Most of our cars all stay on battery tenders. These here will be on battery tenders. This one's a full wrap. Had a full front. We took it off. Had a really bad film on it, but everything we use is XPEL product. Comes with a full written guarantee by XPEL, 10 years. Our installation's guaranteed by us, so make sure the shops you do use, they have an installation guarantee. Installations aren't covered by the manufacturer, and ours is as long as you own the car. So this 488 is full wrap, this STO is a full wrap, and that Huracan is also a full wrap, almost done. This one's pretty much done. This one was black gloss going to a matte finish, and you can see here on the handle, like the ring's not done yet, but it looks fantastic. Everything goes in perfectly. We make sure all those edges are getting done. Excuse me, no marks in the film. Everything is nice and perfect the way it should be. And again, all XPEL. This Rover back here, that was a full front with some rockers. It's back to just get the windshield tinted. We did this last week, and as you see, just like you should, all these letters come off and go back over the PPF. You wouldn't want to have lines around it. It just wouldn't look good. But we did the video on that last week. And then finishing up, we got more next week. We'll shoot a video for that. But there you go. So we got a few Lambos, a couple Ferraris, and some good old American muscle in here. And appreciate you guys watching us for Clearbrow, North Dallas, and Argyle, Texas. Don't forget to visit our Fort Worth store. It's newly opened. Same great work, same great people. So thanks for watching. ClearbrowNorthDallas.com, 214-414-3809. Cell 940-703-8301. Thanks for watching and have a great day.